DIY traditional cheese making, crafting handcrafted cheeses at home. Ever wondered how to make your own handcrafted cheese at home? Imagine biting into a rich, creamy cheese made with your own hands. Today, I'm sharing the secrets to traditional cheese making: simple ingredients, easy techniques, and a whole lot of flavor. Tip 1. The milk matters. Use high quality, full-fat milk for the best results. The fresher, the better. Avoid ultra-pasteurized milk, as it lacks the natural enzymes needed for cheese making. Tip 2. Getting the temperature right. Heating milk to the correct temperature is crucial. Too hot, and you risk killing essential bacteria. Too cold, and your curds won't form properly. Use a thermometer for accuracy. Tip 3. Choosing your cultures. Starter cultures give your cheese its unique flavor. Whether you prefer tangy or mild, different bacterial cultures shape the taste and texture of your cheese. Tip 4. Rennet is key. Rennet helps coagulate the milk, turning it into curds. You can choose between animal-based or vegetarian rennet, but make sure to use the right amount to get perfect curds. Tip 5. Cutting the curds. Cut curds evenly using a long knife to help release whey and firm up the texture. The size of the cut determines how soft or hard your final cheese will be. Tip 6. Draining and pressing. Once the curds form, they need to be drained. Use cheesecloth to remove excess whey, and if making a firmer cheese, use a press to shape it. Tip 7. Salting for flavor and preservation. Salt enhances taste and acts as a natural preservative. You can add it directly to the curds or apply it as a brine bath, depending on the cheese variety. Tip 8. Aging your cheese. Aging is where magic happens. Store cheese in a cool, humid place for weeks or months. The longer it ages, the more complex the flavor. Tip 9. Moisture control. The humidity level affects texture. Soft cheeses need more moisture, while hard cheeses require a drier environment. Control airflow to prevent spoilage. Tip 10. Flavor enhancements. Want to add a personal touch? Experiment with herbs, spices, or even wine-washed rinds to create signature flavors unique to your homemade cheese. Tip 11. Storage and serving. Store cheese properly to maintain freshness. Wrap it in wax paper instead of plastic to let it breathe. Serve at room temperature to enjoy the full depth of flavors. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only.